2020 to 2020 Ford Tundra 14.6-inch installation guide. First, pry out the trend trim in the passenger position. Notice the white strip. Pry out the storage box above the center console. There are 4 screws inside to take out. Remove the decorative strips on both sides of the dashboard. Out of trend. Remove the dashboard border. Remove the screen. Unplug the wire. Original car out of trend, pull out. The original car buckle is pulled out. Install to the new screen border. Take out the decorative strip above the trend of the original car. Replaced with new decorative strips. This is a replacement. Move the hardware brackets on both sides of the original car hose to the new hose. Installation trend. Take out the baffles in the storage box. Take the SIM line. Take out the baffle next to the passenger door. Go antenna. Start installation screen. This is where the screen host is plugged in. Put the co-pilot back on the trend trim. Complete the installation after installing the dashboard borders and trending. Installed effect.